How to save a project in Ocenaudio. First of all, once you have finished editing your project in Ocenaudio, it's time to save your work. To do this, you simply need to click on the File option in the top menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select Save if you want to save the project under the current file name. If you haven't saved the file before, it will prompt you to give your project a name and choose the location on your computer where you want to store it. Make sure to choose a location that's easy to remember so you can access it later. If you want to save your project as a new file or create a backup, choose the Save As option. This will allow you to rename your file and select a different location on your computer. This can be helpful if you want to keep multiple versions of your project. Ocenaudio will automatically save your progress as you work, but it's always a good idea to save your file manually once you reach important milestones in your project. To ensure your changes are properly saved, don't forget to click Save before closing the program. And that's it. Now you know how to save your project in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.